Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Ensure your sending device has CPU headroom and your receiver is on a stable network. First, switch to a wired Ethernet or a dedicated 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, then set the screencast app to 3060 FPS and lower resolution if needed. Once done, close background apps that use CPU, GPU, or network. This reduces encoding latency and prevents buffer bloat, so you can move to the next configuration steps immediately. Now optimize how the video is encoded and transmitted. You should switch to hardware encoding, NVENC or QuickSync, because it offloads work from the CPU and trims milliseconds. Next, lower bitrate and shorten the keyframe interval to reduce buffering. Use a low latency preset if available. Also disable filters, post-processing, and V-Sync on the sender. These add rendering delay. Once these changes are applied, test a short cast and watch frame timing. If it improves, proceed to network tuning and final checks. Finish by validating performance. Run a 30 to 60 second test and measure delay against an on-screen timer so you know baseline latency. Make sure to enable CoS on your router or limit other devices to lower jitter and packet loss. This makes latency consistent. If delay remains unacceptable, try swapping to a different capture method, HDMI capture versus native casting, or a different app, because some implementations add buffering. If that still fails, reboot both devices and retest. Often, a fresh start clears transient network or driver issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.